Trading Forex can be a daunting task, but with the right tips and tricks, you can improve your skills and increase your chances of success. One important tip is to always have a solid trading plan in place before making any trades. This plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, and entry and exit points. Another key tip is to never trade with money you can't afford to lose. It's important to only use disposable income for trading, as the Forex market can be unpredictable and losses are always a possibility. Additionally, it's crucial to stay informed about market trends and news that could impact currency values. By staying up to date on global events and economic indicators, you can make more informed trading decisions. Remember, Forex trading requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. By following these tips and continuously honing your skills, you can become a more successful Forex trader.